Hi YouTube, welcome to another video. I bet you can't guess where I am. It's the closest I'm ever going to get to a podium. So yeah, it's another track day that's not actually Castle Combe, which is cool. I've just moved away from the car because there's like a generator running some fancy race lorry. So I thought I'd wander over here where it's a little bit quieter. It's a tricky track. I'm not used to doing a circuit with different undulation. I got a bit out of shape in the first session. I think it's the corner to the left before the old hairpin, I think it is. Yes, that left back came out. But yeah, I'm not really used to it. It hasn't done that to me before. Yeah, it's good though. There's a lot of fast cars here today, so there's a lot of like Porsches and I don't know, Caterhams and things like that through. But no, it's good. It's a bit cloudy at the moment. Temperature's all right. Thought it might rain, but it's been all right. I think it's supposed to get pretty hot, so just making the most of a bit of cloud cover. Yeah, it's a big circuit, like sort of the site. I'm used to like Castle Combe. Let's try and maybe come here for touring cars. Anyway, let's see some action, shall we? Yeah, so I forgot to do the outro, surprise, surprise. So I'm in my garage at the moment. I'm just preparing the car actually to give it a bit of a paint job. So it's not a lot of track footage really. I just showed that was my last session, so I was kind of at the quickest pace I got to on the day. The other sessions were just me sort of trying to get used to the track, and what a track it is, love it. I just wish it wasn't like 2.5 hours drive away. But yeah, well worth it. Might try and do one later in the year, because another thing, it's quite expensive. I think it's like 300 and something quid. So I think there's some in November for like something like 120 quid. So yeah, I know you got possibly some rain, but might be worth it. So yeah, definitely my favourite track so far, even though I've only tried 3. Didn't have any problems with noise, which I was worried about after Thruxton. You would have seen that I've got those sort of right angle exhaust tips on, pointing to the right. We were told that the sound check is on the left, on the gantry, on the pit straight. So yeah, I pointed them away and it was fine. I was changing gear, getting onto the straight at 6,000 RPM rather than sort of going up to 7,000. But maybe I could have, who knows. Well, feel free to chuck a comment down below, give me some tips on Donington. I've seen other people in sort of similar power cars going maybe like, I don't know, about 6 seconds a lap quicker. So I've got a lot of time to make up. So yeah, drop me some hints and tips for better lines or something like that, or braking points. So yeah, I'm not sure what's going to come next. It's going to take me a while to paint this car. I've done the boot and the bonnet. I've done the doors actually, fiberglass doors. So it's mainly front bumper, the sort of wings, the bit underneath the windscreen, the sort of inside of the doors, and then round the side. But yeah, as you can tell, it's really hot at the moment. I need to get this painting. I need to get this painting done before it gets cold for winter. So yeah, I'm going to try and do it over the next couple of months. But yeah, thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.